Are you tired of feeling like you have to hide your true self online? Hi there, I'm Christy Angelo, and welcome to this video on how to be authentic in your online presence. In today's digital age, creating an authentic online persona can be a challenge. But it's crucial to ensure that you are being true to yourself while still presenting your best self. In this video, I will be sharing tips and strategies to help you create a consistent and genuine online presence that accurately reflects who you are. So whether you are an influencer, content creator, or simply looking to build your online presence, stay tuned for some valuable insights on how to be authentic online. Tip number 1, know yourself. Before you start presenting yourself online, it's very crucial to know who you are. Spend some time exploring your personality, values, and interests. Figure out what makes you unique, what your fashions are, and what you want to share with the world. Knowing yourself will help you to create a consistent and authentic online presence that accurately reflects who you are. Number 2, be honest and transparent. One of the most crucial aspects of being authentic online is being honest and transparent. Don't pretend to be someone you are not or exaggerate your achievements or experiences. Be open about your flaws and weaknesses and share your failures and success equally. Being honest and transparent will help you build trust and credibility with your audience. Our tip number 3 is use your own voice. When creating content, it's essential to use your own voice. Don't try to copy someone else's style or tone. Speak in a way that feels natural to you and reflects your personality. Your audience will appreciate your unique perspective and authentic voice. Our tip number 4, share your story. Sharing your story is a great way to be authentic online. Talk about your experiences, success, challenges. Share your journey and how you got where you are today. Your story is what makes you unique, and sharing it will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Our last tip, number 5, is engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is very crucial to building an authentic online presence. Response, comments, messages, and emails. Take time to listen to your followers and understand their needs and interests. Because engaging with your audience will help you build a community around your brand and strengthen the relationship between you and your followers. Thank you for watching this video on how to be authentic in your online presence. I hope you found the tips and strategies I shared helpful in creating a genuine and consistent online persona. Remember, being true to yourself is crucial when it comes to building an online presence that truly reflects who you are. So go out there and be yourself and connect with your audience in a deeper level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.